2013 was an exciting year at Jurupa Hills High School. The Spartans, who performed well in athletics and other activities, were celebrating their first year with senior students. The school had opened in 2010, and in May, the first graduating class celebrated its commencement at Citizens Business Bank Arena in Ontario.
I think it's an honor to be able to be the first graduating class and make history and be part of it.
I'm so excited. This is what we've been looking forward to for the past 3 years.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I'm really proud to be part of this.
Everything was new, and some things weren't really established yet, so we had to establish them ourselves. It's a real privilege to be able to start something.
It's a little overwhelming because I know that this school is going to eventually grow into one of the greatest schools in Southern California.